Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are happy at your home. Yes, that's great. Kids, do you know today we will do lots of fun. But before that, look who has come to meet us today. Oh, who is he? It's a baby tiger. It's a baby tiger. Kids, all of you want to sing a song for our new friend? Yes, yay! So kids, let's sing this song and welcome our new friend. Okay? Tiger, 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 tiger. Grr, grr. Tiger, tiger, orange and black. Tiger, tiger is on my back. Tiger, tiger, orange and black. Tiger is on my back. Tiger, tiger, come with me. Grr, grr. Tiger, tiger, come with me. Tiger, tiger, let's have tea. Tiger, tiger, come with me. Tiger, tiger, let's have tea. So kids, it's our new friend, Tiger. Now it's time for our fun activity. So kids, it's activity time. Enjoy your today's fun activity. Kids, welcome to your fun time activity. And do you know today's activity is very interesting and colorful. Today we are going to paint a train. And for this activity we need a paper and some liquid colors. You can use any color, any liquid color. Okay? We need a paintbrush and we need this thing. This is the most important thing for this activity. Look at this. Do you know what is this? Tell me. Yes, it's a piece of sponge. So we need this thing for this activity, as today's activity is sponge stamping train. So we need this sponge and try to use a rectangle shape. Okay? In this activity, first we will dip our sponge in color and then we will tap on paper. This way we are going to paint a train. So let's start. So kids, first take your sponge and dip it in color and little press it like this. Okay? Now take your sponge and tap on paper. Now each time you have to wash your sponge. Now again dip your sponge in different color and tap on paper like this. And do you know kids, each time we have to wash our sponge. Okay? So we can use different colors. So kids, this way we have to repeat the process and we will stamp as much as we can in one paper. Okay? So use different color and stamp on one paper. Okay? So let's do it. Now using black color we are going to make the engine. E is for engine. Okay? Now take some black color and dip your fingertip in it. Okay? Dip your fingertip and make the wheels. like this. Make small circles. Now we have to connect all the compartments. Okay, for this we need our black marker or pencil, or you can use your paintbrush also. Okay, so let's do it. So take your black pen or marker or pencil and draw lines in between all the compartments. Okay, in between two compartments, draw lines and connect your train, your colorful train. Okay, and finally you have to connect your train with the engine. And it's done. Our sponge stamped train is ready. So kids, you also try it at home and share your beautiful activity pics with me. So kids, hope you have enjoyed this activity. Now tell me, have you noticed? Train, tiger, both the words start with same sound. And the sound is t. And the sound is t. And do you know both the words begins with same letter? And do you want to know what is the letter? Yes, the letter is T. This is capital letter T. And T says T. T says T. T is for tree. T is for tap. T is for turtle. So kids, this is capital letter T. Now let's learn some more words with the letter T. So kids, let's have a look and repeat after ma'am. Look at this kids. I have lot of pictures and objects, and all the words start with the letter T. This is capital letter T. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. T is for tap. T is for tap. T is for tub. T is for tub. T is for turtle. T is for turtle. T is for tomato. Yes, it's a red juicy tomato. T is for tree. T is for tree. T is for trend. T is for trend. So kids, this is capital letter T, and T says T. T is for tiger, tap, tub. T is for turtle, tomato, tree. T is for trend. Very good kids. So kids, hope you have enjoyed learning the letter T. Now it's time for one more activity. Yes, I know you all love to do activities. So kids, now we are going to make a teddy. Paper teddy. So kids, let's have a look what are the things we needed for this activity. Kids, to make a paper teddy, we need some paper of different shapes. You can use any color of paper, okay? Look at this kids, we need a heart-shaped paper, some circles, 2 black circle for eyes, 1 small triangle for nose. And to paste all these things, all these paper cuttings, we need Fevicol or other any glue. And we need a black pen or marker, or you can use your black pencil. Okay? Now kids, first we will arrange all these paper cuttings. Then we will paste or fix all these things using Fevicol or other any glue. Okay? So kids, let's start to make our paper teddy. Kids, first take this heart-shaped paper and keep like this. Now, take this big circle. This is a big size circle and keep on it. First, we will arrange all these things. Okay? Then, for ears, we need 2 circles. Now, it's time for hands. So for hands, we need 2 small circles and keep like this. Okay? Now, take this medium size circles and keep it like this. And make the legs. 2 legs, 2 hands. Now, take this white circle and keep on the big circle like this. Now it's time for eyes. So take this black small circle and keep like this. Now it's time for nose. So take this small triangle and keep it like this. Now kids, fix all these things using your glue. So paste all these things. And it's done. Now take your black marker or black pen or pencil and draw a smiley or lips. Okay? And join this. I know you can draw better than me. So, you also draw it and it's done. T is for Teddy. Now, you can write anything on it or you can draw something on it and give it to your best friend. Okay? So kids, try it at home and share your beautiful activity pics with me. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Take care.